Welcome, automation enthusiasts. Today we are going to install Chrome WebDriver for Selenium and run our first test case using Selenium. So, if you have not yet installed Selenium, I suggest you to watch my previous video on how to install Selenium. The Chrome driver we are about to download must match the version of Chrome on your computer. Before downloading Chrome driver, check the version of Chrome installed on your PC. The first step is to open a web browser. Double-click on the Google Chrome. In the top right corner of Chrome window, click on the three-dot menu icon. Go to Help, then click on About Google Chrome. Google Chrome will automatically check for updates and display the current version number. Please take note of the version number for your reference. To download and install Chrome driver, just go to the official Chrome driver website. We are going to open a new tab. In the search bar, just type chromedriver.chromium.org/download. Then press Enter. On the download page, you will see a list of Chrome driver versions. Make sure to select the version of Chrome installed on your computer. Just double-click on Chrome driver. Look for the latest version of Chrome driver compatible with your operating system. Chrome driver support Windows, Mac, and Linux. Click on the download link for the appropriate version of Chrome driver you need. Once the download is complete, extract the content of the download zip file to a location on your computer. After the extraction, you should have a file called chromedriver.exe. Now, you need to add chromedriver.exe to your system path variable. The easiest way to do that is to first of all select chromedriver.exe, right-click, copy, then go to Window, click on Window folder, then you have to paste chromedriver.exe in that folder. To verify that Chrome driver is correctly installed, we need to open the command prompt. In the search bar, just type cmd. Then open the command prompt. In the command prompt, just type Chrome driver space -- version. then press enter. That's it. Chrome driver is installed on your system. Now that Chrome driver is correctly set up, we are going to run our first test case with Selenium WebDriver. So, open PyCharm, double-click on PyCharm icon. Okay, inside your PyCharm project, right-click on your project name, then create a new Python file. Go to New, then click on Python file. Then enter the name of your Python file. I'm going to type test case 001. Then press enter. Okay. Let's try this easy first test case with Selenium. We are going to open Chrome browser. We are going to enter this URL. We are going to maximize the window. Then we are going to refresh the page. Then we are going to navigate to the previous page. Then we are going to navigate to the next page. And at the end, we are going to close Chrome browser. So we can do this manually, but actually we are going to use Selenium to automate all this action. Okay. So, step 1. You need to import necessary module. We are going to import WebDriver. It is necessary to import WebDriver from Selenium in order to access and use the functionality provided by Selenium WebDriver, which is a powerful tool for automating web browser. So, by importing WebDriver, you gain access to various methods, classes that allow you to control and interact with web browser. So, just type from Selenium import WebDriver. Okay. Step 2. Locate the path to chromedriver.exe. I will open my folder. My Chrome driver is located in my window folder. So if I scroll down, here is my Chrome driver. So I'm going to copy the full path. Copy. Okay. Then I'm going to create a new variable and we assign the path as reference. Chrome driver path equal to, then paste your path. Add a backslash, then add Chrome driver dot exe. Okay. To avoid some issue, I recommend you to add an R before your path. It helps to interpret the string exactly as it is without any special character or escape sequence within the string. Okay. Step 3. Create a Chrome driver service object. A service object refers to an object that manages and controls the execution of WebDriver such as Chrome driver for Chrome or Gecko driver for Firefox. So, how to do that? We are going to create a new variable called service, then equal to service, then add as argument executable path equal to pass your Chrome driver path. Copy, then paste it here. Okay. By passing the path to Chrome driver, okay, Selenium WebDriver knows where to locate and use Chrome driver executable for launching and controlling the Chrome browser during automation tasks. So it ensures that the WebDriver and Chrome driver are properly connected and functioning together, allow you to automate browser action and perform various tasks. Okay. Now, as you can see, service is highlighted. So we need to import the service. So how to do that? Type from Selenium dot WebDriver dot Chrome dot service import service. Okay. One of the best practices is to start the service. So we're going to type service dot start. Then we are going to type service dot stop. Okay. Now we need to begin our first action. Open Chrome browser. Okay, how to do that? We need to create a WebDriver using the service. Okay, so create a new variable called driver, then it equal to WebDriver dot Chrome, then pass as argument the service. Service equal to the service. Okay, so this will create an instance of Chrome driver. Let's try to run this first step, okay, with this part of code. Click on the main menu, click on File, click on Save All. Then, right-click on your Python file, click on Run. Yes. Okay, this part is done. Okay, now let's try to navigate to this website. Just copy. In Python, we use the get method to navigate to any website. So just call driver dot get, then paste the URL here. Okay, this part is done. Now, to maximize the browser window, we are going to say driver dot maximize window. Okay, This part is done. Then, to refresh the page, we are going to type driver.refresh. Okay, this part is okay. To navigate to the previous page, just type driver.back. Okay, this part is done. Then to navigate to the next page, just type driver.forward. Okay. We need to close the Chrome browser. So, to close the Chrome browser, just type driver.close. Okay. I will add a time.sleep. So, this means that the program will pause for 5 seconds before continue the execution of the next line of code. Let me copy this, copy, paste, paste, paste. Okay. Now, as you can see, the time is highlighted. If you mouse over, you need to import the module. Just click on import this name. Time. Okay. We have import the module time. So now to run our script, first of all, click on the main menu, click on File, click on Save All. Now, right-click on your Python file, then click on Run. So the Chrome browser is open. Then we go to the website, orangeim.com. The window is maximized. Okay. Now the page is refreshed. Okay. We navigate to the previous page. We navigate to the next page. Then we close Chrome browser. Yes. Yes. We were able to run our first test case using Python Selenium. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like if you enjoy the content. Thank you.